Hi guys, this is your homegirl Ima. Now I'm gonna take you guys through the process of making Ekpang Nkukwo. Ekpang Nkukwo basically comprises of cocoyam and water yam grated together here, and then we have some greens that we tie it all up in, and then we keep tying until we get it filled up, or we've basically tied up everything. But this is just how it is done. You take the greens and then you take a portion of the mixture and put it in small chunks, and then you tie it up. Now basically this meal is renowned with the Effiks and the Idibios, Akwa, Ibom and Cross River, and it's a very healthy meal. It's a very healthy combination. The cocoyam and water yam is a very healthy combination for diabetic patients, for newly born, for mothers who just put to birth. It's a good meal, you know, that helps you basically recover most of your nutrients. And then also probably for people who are just looking at enjoying a good local delicacy, good aromatic, delicious delicacy. It's usually so delicious that women in my place they basically use it to catch men, you know. But basically it's just because the meal is very delicious. So guys, this is the startup process. I'll catch up with you when the meal is almost done. Hi guys, we're back. So conclusively, this is all the ingredients that is going to go into this pot of steaming ekpang that is already on the fire. Now you see my meat stock, my pepper, my greens. This is actually scent leaf. It's the Yorubas call it efirin. It adds flavor to the food. And then this is my crayfish, my Maggi for seasoning. And then we now have my pot of proteins. All the proteins, you see, my meat, my fish. I actually decided to use goat meat for this because the customer wanted goat meat. So I have my pomo in here, my goat meat, and my dry fish is in here. Now this is the steaming pot of the glorious meal we've been trying to deal with. You see it's steaming right now, so I'm gonna add my stock to just grease it a little bit. All of that glory is gonna go in there. Sorry about that, guys. Shit happens in the kitchen. So you see it's properly cooked out. Properly cooked out. While it's still steaming.